by 50 cm squares, version 3 special treatment, now adds green fluorite to the green areas of the picture. We focus a lot more on the woman's face. So sprinkle it on the green areas around her face and then the rest on the leaves around her face. So once again, for version 3 of Green Woman special treatment, we have magenta crystals right over here, morganite on the pink blooms, and finally we've got green fluorite for all of the green areas in the picture. If you would like to instead focus on the green leaves for the green fluorite, you can do that as well and put a little less of the green fluorite around her face and more on the leaves, or you can do it as I've done here. So you can really have a lot of freedom on how you would like to conduct your special treatment, provided you follow the color that matches closest to the special beads that you're given. That way you give the painting a nice added emphasis on the color with a little bit more glitter or shimmer without necessarily changing the picture.